Hello everyone, I'm Bad Pan, a bat who loves the sea. In today's video, we'll see how to take any non-looped music and make it loop perfectly. No awkward cuts, no silence in between, and just smooth transitions. This is my way of doing it, and I use it for my own game, and it actually worked well. This video will be put inside a series of videos covering with the tips and tricks that will actually help you in your game dev journey. If you wish, you can actually check it out through the channel. I publish my own retro horror game called Fractured Psyche. It's a retro psychological horror game. If you're into this stuff, you can actually check it out with a link in the description. So with all that being said, let's put on the mask and begin. First, we need to download an audio. I'm gonna use this audio. As you see, it's not looped. It finishes and it stops. And this is not looped. I'm gonna make this one looped. So I'm just gonna download this music. Thank you, this guy, for giving us this music. Now that the audio has been downloaded, you need to load it inside an audio editing program. But I'm gonna do it inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Add this audio to my project. This is the audio. I'm gonna start the music from here. So you see, it ends here. So I'm gonna cut it from here. You see, it ends like. I'm gonna make it loop. You see, sometimes it is actually an okay loop. You see, but sometimes the music doesn't loop itself and doesn't have anything to do with the loop, and it's not okay for looping. You're gonna go to the first section of your audio. You're gonna make it, pass some time. So right here, I'm gonna add a cut. So C, or you just, select this one and add a cut here. Add a cut, and you're just gonna, take this. I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna add it to the end of the music, and I'm gonna, attach it to the left side. So the music now starts from here. But the thing is, the cut I made at the start actually makes it loop perfectly, and with nothing this side, because it is actually the music. As you see, if I started from here and loop, it is the perfect loop. You see, you can't even hear anything, any distortion or anything. It's just a perfect loop. So the problem is, now we have something here that goes from this audio to this audio, so we need to make this one, give it an effect to make it loop perfectly in here. So you're gonna find a spot where the beats and the musics are kind of the same thing, and can interact with each other very well. So I'm just gonna use it here. Inside Adobe Premiere Pro, you can add an audio effect to it. I add the constant power audio effect. You guys can actually go to effects, constant power, or you can add constant gain inside the audio transitions. If you don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use similar applications. But as you see, I can increase it. You see, it's now a loop. So you gotta tweak with it until you are satisfied. I'm satisfied with this. It's gonna loop again and again and again. It is actually okay for the main menu. You guys can actually use it for your main menu. So now that our musics are selected, you guys can actually export it. So I'm gonna export it. Go to this export. I think you guys might say just export it inside MP3. The problem is MP3 is actually a compressed method, and the compression it uses actually adds some delay in the start and the end of your music. So it's not, even if your music is loopable, it won't loop well when you're using MP3. So I'm gonna export it as an MP3. So say loop MP3. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I mean. So I'm gonna export it. I'm gonna add my music inside Unity so you guys can actually see it's not looped well. So as you see, inside Premiere Pro, it was the perfect loop, but in here, you see that there was a slight thing in the between playing and the replaying music. So one fix for it that I actually use in my game is exporting this as an uncompressed audio file, so there is no compression. So I'm just gonna export it as waveform audio, and the highest options I'm gonna rename it to looped WAV, and I'm gonna export it. This time, if I add it inside Unity, you'll see that is actually perfect loop. So you see, there is a perfect loop, but the problem is the audio is 16 megabytes. 16 megabytes is actually a lot. You guys can actually, compress it, but that's not the thing I want to do. What you guys can do is turn this WAV file into .ogg. The program I'm going to use is AIMP to convert my audios. You guys can actually use any programs to change your audio from WAV to OGG. OGG format is actually a compressed format as well, but it's not like MP3 to, you know, add delays at the start and at the end. You guys can actually use it with any programs you have, if you guys have any audio programs or anything, but you guys can actually do it online. This is a site I found. You guys have some coins up here, I think. It's not infinite, so I'm just gonna upload my music in here. As you see, it's gonna take some time. In the meantime, I'm gonna, you know, use .ogg using AIMP. So I'm gonna right click and go to my AIMP settings, convert to other formats, and for the format, I'm just gonna give it OGG Vorbis, and I'm gonna give it the maximum quality, and I convert it into .ogg, and as you see, it goes from 17 megabytes to 5 megabytes, and I'm gonna call it looped OGG, and I'm gonna add it in here. Looped OGG is added. So you see, instead of, you know, unlike MP3, as you see, it starts and ends. OGG is not like that. So, see, it's a perfect loop. You guys can actually use it in your game. Be careful, so I'm just gonna preload the audio data inside my game. Then when I run it, I can just add an empty object and, you know, drag and drop my audio in here. So it is looped. You guys can actually see the audio in here. Yeah, that's how you add it to your project. Yeah, that was it. My upload speed is not okay. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how this works. So now the audio is uploaded in the site. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna, you know, give the highest quality, the highest possible quality audio currency. I don't know anything about it. 48,000 hertz. I don't know what to touch. I'm just gonna, you know, click on start. It gave us a .ogg file. It is 3.88 megabytes. You can download it and see if it actually works. My download speed is amazing, 40 kilobytes. So this is the loop download and this is the OGG file. I'm gonna, you know, add this download file as well into the Unity project to see if it actually works as well as the AMP. So loop download, let's see. Yeah, it is as well. It works perfectly like the OGG file that we created. So that was my way of, you know, creating a looped music out of a non-looped music. I hope this video helped you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, like would be amazing. You can actually subscribe to see more contents like this. You guys can actually tell me anything in the comment section below. I would be very happy to answer it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope all the very best for you guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.